Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 3rd of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 10's prediction based on option chain analysis for Tesla. If you are concerned about where these predictions are coming from, please go view my channel since there are videos timestamped and date marked which correspond to these exact predictions, which cover the analysis behind how I determine whether as Tesla or SPX should go up or should go down. So please view my channel if you are interested in that. But without further ado, we can see that the previous prediction was on the 25th of February 2024 for the week ending the 1st of March, where we predicted that Tesla goes down. Here, Tesla actually opened at 192.29 and closed at 202.64, which is a huge loss for us at 5.38%. Bringing our cumulative P&L down to 11.95%. Compared to Tesla's weekly change of positive 5.56%, it brings our alpha very significantly down to 32.09, positive 32.09%. However, this is just a short video going over the performance for this week. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.